Another day, another hole. Ay, shit. Another day, another hole. So, this is for today. I got kapula. Saka ito. Tapos bumili ako ng baking powder. Magbe-bake ako, guys. Magbe-bake ako. And then, I got madaming spring onion. I got also a bamboo shoot. Diba yun ang labong? Labong. I got a talong. Laki ng talong, guys. Ang laki ng talong. Laki ng talong. I got talong. And then, I got a sweet potato. May gagawin ako later. And I got cucumber. Ayan, cucumber. Ang laki din ng cucumber. Laki ng cucumber, guys. Shit. Pang diet ko to. Ito yung dinner ko. Ito dinner ko din. Ayan. Nagawa kong shake yan, guys. Para gumanda tayo at magiging blooming. And of course, we got a burpita. I got onion. Everyday ako namamalingke. So, ang budget ko everyday is 2,000. So, minsan, wala lang. Kinukupsitan. At saka ito. Ito is finest glutinous rice. Ito mamaya yung gagawin niyo. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa. If I have time. And downy. Siyempre, mag-downy tayo ng arin. I got also a glutinous. Ano ba yun? Gulaman. Ito yung gagawin ako. And then, may favorite coffee. Yan. Ito lang yung pinaka-pick ko, guys. Hindi na ako nag-sugar. Only black coffee because I'm getting old. So, I don't want to make diabetes. Okay. So, that is for today's video. Ay, hindi pa pala meron pa pala. The last one. Of course, I got, sarap kahapon yung orange. So, I got orange. And then, I got avocado again for my dinner later. And, yeah, papakita ko sa inyo. I got fish and pork. Ito yung aming menu for today's video. Pork. Magsisiyata ako or this one. I need this one later na gagawin ko para sa potato pudding. At saka yung fish. Dalawang fish, guys. Prito ko lang yun kasi hindi sila kumakain. Sila kumakain ng may sauce. Konti lang ng pihikan. So that is for today. So bye!